Hey, well done for completing your very first capstone project. Now, I know it was a difficult project, but it's meant to stretch you just enough so that you're still struggling, but you still have all the components that you need to tackle it. Now, in this project, we saw a lot of the things that we learned in the previous days being put into use, like while loops, for loops, functions, variables, everything all packaged together. Now, these are the fundamentals that you're learning in each of the days and each of the lessons, even though individually they seem very small. But when put together, you can create really interesting and really complex projects like the Blackjack project. So even though it was difficult and even though you had to stretch yourself, as long as you've got solid foundations, then you can continue and you'll be able to build even better things. So together, we're going to make sure that you have a really solid foundation before you continue, before we start building more fun projects like websites and data mining and data scraping and data visualization and all of that. So make sure that you review all the concepts that you've learned so far. And if there's anything that's not quite 100%, then just review the content, practice it a few times, and then continue, and you'll be so much better off for that solid foundation. So have a good rest, and I'll see you tomorrow.